Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about a really simple solution to a crazy problem for your 25 plus RZR Pro. If you got a 25 or newer RZR Pro, they did an awesome job on the dash and the interior redesign. But they put a bezel that doesn't let you put regular, standard rocker switches in the upper row. And we all have standard regular rocker switches that control our RGB or our Bluetooth or lights and accessories and things like that. So we came out with a unique patented solution, our switch adapter. This actually snaps into the front of the bezel and lets you put a standard rocker switch into that odd size shape. So you don't have to go buy their unique rocker switches. You can use the switches you already have or the ones you like, change the logos, change the caps. Just a simple 6-pack adapter that takes care of that problem for you, lets you put whatever switch you want in there. Looking for a way to add conventional switches to the dash of your 25 plus RZR Pro, then our RZ6 switch adapter is gonna be the trick for you. Simple, snap-in bezel, fits a regular rocker switch. Thanks for watching our video. Remember to hit like and subscribe, leave your comments and feedback below. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor. This is SSV Works TV. We'll see you out there.